Hi, today is 7th January 2026 Wednesday. If I if I want to say about the today's market update, today Nifty was the flat, absolutely flat, and hardly the 37 to 40 points there is a down Nifty. So if I'm talking about the 26,000 point of view, it's a completely flat. Apart from that, as I informed the yesterday's video that I'll keep an eye on the Nifty Midcap as well as the Nifty Pharma. So today the Nifty Pharma in the first half there was a rise on the Nifty Pharma index, but in the later point of time in the second half you can see that there is a pull down of the Nifty Pharma index. So it can be the possible that big player they are going to profit booking. So it can be the reason. As of now, there is no such trigger in the Nifty Pharma index. In the next week onwards, all the Indian companies they are going to publish their Q3 result, and it will start with the TCS as usual. The Indian IT giants they will publish their report first, the Q3 result. I think the next week Monday they will publish their report. When I'm recording this video, the Dow Jones was in good shape, as well as the Nasdaq Composite also was in good shape. But in case of silver, there is a almost the 5 to 6% down in the silver. Currently, it's trading in 76 and $77 in this range. The gold also was the 1% down. There is a one interesting part I have observed today that in case of yen, the yen carry trade. So if I'm considering the Japan 10 years bond yield, Japan 10 years bond yield, it's increasing slow by slow. It is increasing last 2 and 3 months. Okay, so there can be the rate increase again in the near term. In the Japan central bank, they can increase their rate, interest rate again. So if they increase their interest rate, so it will be difficult, because in that case the it will be pressure on the Japanese yen, as well as the yen carry trade can be the unwinding. If the yen carry will unwind, in that case it will trigger the market sell off in the US market. So this year will be the very crucial. And if I'm talking about the silver, now the silver is trading the 5 to 6% down, the 76 $77 in this range. But one more interesting thing I have observed today, that the silver reverse ETF, that is the huge volume in the silver reverse ETF. So people are thinking that silver will not go up from this range, and while retail is thinking that it will not go up, certainly it will go up. So I think the silver peak is yet to come in the, let's see. It's all about the today's market. Thank you.